doing?
To a museum with the king.
No, I don't like it. I don't like that one bit.
What's wrong?
You tell me yourself. He's a goat herder. What's your man? Real nice. Treats you real good.
I only like Dad because he's rich.
Lisa, I just don't want you to